I'm John O'Shea. I've been at the Metal Digital Labs this week and thinking mostly about how the idea of a lab context relates or not to art practice. I have some contentions about the idea of artwork being contained in a lab idea, because I think that artists' work isn't necessarily and shouldn't necessarily be separated from other real-world factors in the way that we would in science practice. And one of the projects that I've kind of brought to the lab and tried to develop a little bit is to do with the idea of taking quite a strange object, a swan pedalo, and applying open source methodologies to that. So I've been speaking to Graham Harwood from Goldsmiths College a lot about his ideas of open source culture and how the things that are important to him, how might they be reflected in how the swan pedalo is organised. So one idea that I think is core to open source culture is that open source projects enable both the self, the person who's engaged, and also the community. And so I've been thinking about how that can relate to the swan pedalo.